Good morning, sir. You're Christopher Davis. Mr. Davis, did you get someone hired?
I brought the three pieces of the three attorneys.
Who'd you talk to?
Talked to this the person right here, Crenshaw.
Okay.
I was trying to get a court-appointed attorney.
What other two did you talk to?
Mitchell Woods and Brad Jones Jr.
You actually talked to those people?
Talked to Crenshaw's office, but I couldn't get a hold of him. I mean, he was supposed to call me back, but I thought I was going to get a court-appointed attorney.
Well, when you were here last time, I told you you had to work on trying to hire your own lawyer, and you needed to actually speak with 3 lawyers.
Yes, ma'am.
So, where's this Mitchell Woods?
I didn't speak to him. I just spoke to the one, but I was supposed to bring 3 attorneys up here for you.
No, it's not just I'm going to write down 3 names. I said go talk to 3 attorneys, at least 3 attorneys, and try to hire them. It's not just I'm going to give you 30 days and you come back and you write down some names, because Mitchell Woods is probably Clint Mitchell Woods, who is a judge down the hall. So you didn't talk to him as a lawyer. Brack Jones has been retired for many, many years, doesn't practice law. So you didn't do what I asked you to do. Hang on. You didn't do what I asked you to do. And so the result of that...
Right from the start, the judge is already irritated. Christopher Davis was told to speak to at least 3 real attorneys, but instead wrote down random names, including a retired lawyer and even a judge. The courtroom isn't a place for shortcuts, and here the judge makes it clear. Play games with the system, and jail could be the price. What do you think? Was Davis just confused or deliberately trying to buy time?
Good morning, sir. What made you think that was a good shirt to wear to court this morning? That's all you could find? That's all, the only shirt you had in your closet? World's best farter. That's great. No, it says, I can read it. I see what it says at the bottom. You're in felony court. You need to dress appropriately to felony court, and that's not appropriate. Did you get someone hired? I can't hear you. Okay. Okay, who else did you talk to? I can't hear you. Okay. All right, so why didn't you call some others if they didn't call you back?
The tension takes a bizarre turn. The man shows up to felony court wearing a joke t-shirt. The judge's face says it all. Disrespect like this only makes things worse. Add to that his weak excuse about attorneys not answering the phone, and the judge isn't buying it. She warns him, get serious or get ready for jail. Would you ever show up to court dressed like that?
Mr. Mack, your attorney's not going to be here this morning, but I need to talk to you about why you can't keep your drug patch on. Why can't you keep your drug patch on? Everybody that has a drug patch sleeps on it. All right? So this has been going on now for quite some time. I'm going to have you tested this morning. You've tested negative in court, but if you don't keep that drug patch on after today, if there's an issue and it doesn't get tested, I'm going to assume it's because it's positive. Your bond will be raised, there will be a warrant for your arrest, and you will go to jail. So you need to figure out, ask them what you need to do, but nobody has had as many issues as you with this drug patch. Do you understand? Have a seat in the jury box. We'll get you.
Next comes Mr. Mack, who insists he can't sleep with his drug patch on. But the judge has seen it all. Dozens of defendants use patches without issues. Her patience is gone. Keep the patch on, or she'll assume he's hiding drug use. This is his last warning before bond gets raised. The stakes are no longer about comfort. They're about freedom.
So you've been charged with, it looks like another offense of assault, family violence maybe. But it looks like they're not pursuing that. Is that still the position? Are you working? Why aren't you working?
The state of Texas took my driver's license away because I take seizure medicine.
So do you not live anywhere where you could get to a job?
Job applications out to the tire shop and drive a house to where I can work now. We haven't had a deal for about
West.
in the courtroom.
Anyway,
It has, and you can ask Mr. Bro, it has been a problem. That
You owe so much money. I mean,
he was afraid I wasn't gonna be able to get it caught up either.
I know. I mean,
Mason Crooks has been on probation for 2.5 years, yet the excuses keep rolling. No license, no job, no money. But the judge isn't fooled. Probation is a second chance, not a free ride, and failure to meet conditions could mean up to 10 years in prison.
I advise Mr. Crooks to take another route instead of just going by there.
how far apart do y'all live? So why would you have been walking by his house?
I had to walk through the neighborhood to get to my direction of home.
From Orange to Mauriceville?
Yes, ma'am.
I bet there's a number,
Yeah, there's,
any number of other ways that you can go if you're walking from Orange to Mauriceville instead of in front of your uncle's house who we're having all these issues with.
yes, ma'am.
That's,
Um,
do you
I
understand?
made a mistake.
Well, but you keep making mistakes, and your mistake's going to cost you potentially 2 to 10 years in prison, because this is going to be the last time we're in court talking about this, all right? One more call about you walking by a house, showing up somewhere where they are, sending a message, whatever it is.
Things get riskier when Crooks admits walking by his uncle's house, violating a no-contact order. He claims it was just the way home, but the judge doesn't buy it. She calls it another mistake that could cost him years in prison. At this point, it's zero tolerance.
Will be sitting in prison. So it's time for you to get busy. You've been on probation for 2.5 years, and from this point forward, it is not going to go like it has been. There's not going to be an excuse for everything. Figure it out. Walk, get a bicycle, get a job, and start making payments. I don't care where you're working. Get a job. Figure it out.
Thank you.
Make a budget. I want that done quickly. I want you to have a job quickly, and I want you to start making payments. Because what happens is, if you don't start doing everything you're supposed to, Orange is going to send your case back to Jefferson County. If they do that, 2 options. 1, a motion to revoke your probation because you can't do what you're supposed to over there. 2, you're going to have to come over here and report and do everything in Jefferson County. So if transportation and all of that's an issue with just getting around locally, it's going to be a big issue if you have to come back here.
I understand, thank you.
All right, this is it. You're on zero tolerance at this point. Get it all taken care of, or you're going to be right back in here.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr.
The judge lays it out bluntly. Get a job, make payments, or probation will be revoked. For Crooks, this is the final chance. Any more excuses, whether about money, transportation, or family, and he won't be walking home at all. He'll be walking straight into a prison sentence. Do you think the judge is being too harsh or exactly fair after years of excuses? His courtroom session shows the tough balance judges face every day. Keeping order, demanding respect, and deciding when enough is enough. From men dodging lawyers to probationers dodging responsibility, the judge delivered a consistent message. Games, excuses, and disrespect will only land you deeper in trouble. If you found this case as dramatic and eye-opening as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real courtroom moments. These aren't just cases. They're lessons in responsibility, respect, and the high cost of bad decisions.